Infrastructure is ready. It is a commitment of the government to the public. South Goa District Hospital, it will be a failure on our part if we do not commit it and create center of excellence before in the next 6 months. It doesn't take time. It has to be implemented. That's why I said that I will have a detailed discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister during the session. We have to devise. It is not only buying machinery anymore. It is to create central. Doctor is a doctor. He runs a hospital, successful hospital. But you require that type of specialist to create the center of excellence. Unless you have a center of excellence for neurology, orthopedics and also cardio in South Goa District Hospital, that will not be of any benefit to the people of the state of Goa. Maximum people come from South Goa as referrals to Goa Medical College. That's a fact. I have not deviated from any fact. Our doctors in Goa Medical College and health services are doing a phenomenal job. We don't have to build that type of infrastructure, but refurbishment and also to engage the people. There's a lab in the back. There's a new concept that I'm introducing. One in Sattari and one in Kanpur in Speaker's constituency. And we are moving. It's just an experiment. So I've done it under CSR. In my constituency, I'm spending my own money. It's an Abbott company thing to see that diagnostics are made available in the sub-health center so that the people don't have to walk fast. Doctor will be aware because you require technicians and all to run. It's a comprehensive package that I'm trying to deal with through CSR to understand exactly how it's going to work. So basically, people don't have to come even from the sub-health center to the PHC for basic things. Even if you have a chest pain, whether it is acidity or whether you require troponin to enzyme marker basically to check, that also will be done in the villages so that he doesn't have to engage himself or rush or family should not get disturbed. Apart from that, we have started IVF. I've told everything in the assembly yesterday. South Goa District Hospital, further upgradation of North Goa District Hospital and South Goa District Hospital, Sub-District Hospital, Ponda, any upgradation of Kurchare. Here facilities have to be provided. आज निलेश कबरालान तेजे माध्यमांतल्यान आज मुख्यमंत्री ते सगळे तयार करून ताका दिल्ले आसा आणि निलेश कबरालान इनिशिएटिव्ह घेऊन त्यांनी इतले बरे हॉस्पिटल बांधलं पण फक्त मशिनरी दवरून जावचें ना आमकां टेक्निकल स्टाफ म्हणून तेजेर चर्चा वेगळी तरेची मुख्यमंत्रीकडे आमी करतले आणि हे आमी जे कितें करता हांवें ट्रान्सपरंटली सांगलां हांवें तुमकां सांगलां काल विधानसभेत खंयचेय विरोधी पक्षाचे आमदाराक जर जाय खंयची फायल चेक करपाक केन्नाय म्हाज्या ऑफिसान हाडून खंयची फायल व्हरा म्हाका काय प्रॉब्लेम ना काय कोणी काल उल्लेख केलो काय क्वेरी खंय काडटा इट इज नॉर्मल प्रोसेस पण डॉक्टरान काल उल्लेख केलो अंगणवाडी आपल्याक बरें करूंक जाय आमी सगळे पीडब्ल्यूडीक धाडलेले आसा प्रत्येक गोष्ट मुख्यमंत्रीकडे चर्चा करून ते फुडें व्हरपाची गरज आहे जे सगळे विरोधकांक आणि आमदार विरोधक हांगा कोण ना आरोग्य सेवा हे सगळ्यांक लागता सगळ्या आमदारांनी जे विषय मांडले हे सारखे विषय
सर फायनान्शियल शॉर्टफॉल
फायनान्स शॉर्टफॉल इज ओनली एक्सक्यूज. How do you navigate? It is my job to see that I navigate and put a proper comprehensive plan in front of the Honorable Chief Minister. I have something in my mind. There are several hospitals that are ready to help us outsource facilities as center of excellence without extra cost or rupee to the state of Goa. I am not concerned about everybody. I am concerned about government hospitals. I am concerned about DHS so that तुमच्या मध्ये बी तुमकां खबर आहा केन्ना कोणाक जर भायर वचपाची परिस्थिती पडली बिकट परिस्थिती येता हे कॅन्सराचे हॉस्पिटल आमकां एनवायरमेंटात आतांच एलेक्स कडेन उलयतालो ते बेगिना बेगीन आमकां उबे करून फुडले इलेक्शनाचे पयलीं आमकां ते कमिशन करून लोकांक दिवंक जाय तो पर्यंत ओपीडी बऱ्यापैकी ओपीडी चलोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आज तुमी म्हणटा न्ही सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स म्हणजे कितें म्हणजे तो स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर आपल्या माध्यमांतल्यान तो ते विंग चलयतलो इंडिपेंडंटली म्हणजे जे कोण श्रीमंत आहा जे कोणाक वेगळ्या तरेचे ट्रिटमेंट जाय ते वेगळ्या तरेन करतले पण आमचे सामान्य जनतेक आमचे गरीब भाव भयण ज्या हांकां वेगळ्या तरेन ते फेसिलिटी गावतली हे सगळ्या गोष्टीक पयशे म्हणून जायना ते स्पेशलिस्ट बी जाय आनी म्हाका मशिनरी घेवन बेश्टे आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू जस्ट मेक इट रॉट देर. You have to have what the rightful things you require. You have to do that to save people.
You talk about CHC, THC. You talk about topic.
हा पण ते विचार करून म्हणून कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव्ह प्लॅनिंग करूंक जाय. काय कडे नॉन बेडेड लागतले काय कडे तुका RMD अपग्रेड करचे पडटले काय कडे साश्टीन जर घेतल्यार व्हडले हॉस्पिटल आहा ते कशे मोबिलायज करपाचे पण सगळीकडे हॉस्पिटलां बांदल्यार चलयतलो कोण हे सगळे गोष्टी हांवें आतां 12 वर्सां म्हाका जाली पहिले 5 वर्सां आतां 7 वर्सां म्हणजे म्हाका थोडे तरी आयल्या म्हाज्या हांवें काल सांगलें तुमकां आयज युरी आसूं हांव आसूं काय विजय आसूं काय आमचे कितलेय आमचे वांगडी आहा कोण उलयना आमच्या घरान आमचे पर्सनल लायफान अर्ली डिटेक्शन आसूं कॅन्सराचे म्हाज्या पर्सनल लायफान जे अनुभव आयले त्या लोकांचे अनुभव येवं नये म्हणून आमी काम करता आनी तेजे भायर हांव कांयच